Well, Comcast, ViacomCBS, and Roku, all three of those stocks are moving on a Wall Street Journal report that cites a source saying that Comcast CEO Brian Roberts has looked at both ViacomCBS and Roku as potential acquisitions as he looks to compete in streaming. But Comcast tells me that the report is pure speculation. Still, those stocks are moving. Comcast down about 3.5%. Roku shares are up about 4.5%, and ViacomCBS shares are up about 3% as well. Now, to put this report, which Comcast has now said is pure speculation, in context, ViacomCBS is the next natural content acquisition target. It's the one that is in the spotlight after the merger of Discovery and Warner Media. So it would be natural that Comcast, NBCUniversal, as well as all the other media players would be looking at that asset right now. But ViacomCBS is controlled by Sherry Redstone. So whether or not that company sells is entirely up to her at this point. Now, Roku is also an appealing and certainly a valuable piece of the streaming landscape, but it is an increasingly expensive asset. Worth noting that the stock is up 230% in the past 12 months. So that might give any potential buyer some point for pause before making a deal right now. Guys, back over to you.
Julia Boorstin. Julia, thank you. ViacomCBS shooting to the top of the S&P 500. Despite the fact that we don't know how serious this is and the fact that Comcast has told Julia not in advanced discussions here or anything like that.
Of course, pointing out Comcast is our parent company as well. I mean, there seems to be a lot of hurdles as well to this. The fact that you have NBC and CBS, two of the broadcast networks within what would be a combined company. And as we've discussed as well, in fact, just with Mike yesterday with Roku, that one of the attractions of Roku is it's kind of agnostic to a lot of the channels and services that it carries. Of course, that would cease to be the case in that type of tie-up. And I think just the share price reaction you'd see right now to Comcast immediately after getting through the pressure of an acquisition when they bought Sky in the UK, the pressure that might put on its dividend and its capital return program, which is very important for its shareholders, and the way that AT&T's share prices reacted to their type of deal. And they have similar sorts of shareholders as well. One would say this is a lot of hurdles to get there, but we're in that feeding frenzy of M&As in the media space at the moment. So, quite possible.
So it's worth talking about.
Yeah,
right.
definitely.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.